So I recently got the Stages power meter for my Shimano XTR cranks on my cross-country bike, the Pivotless, and just wanted to show how easy it is to install it. So you go ahead and pull it out. Got some free membership, month-long memberships of Strava and Training Peaks. Got the crank, got the battery, got some stickers and an owner's manual. So to install it, first things first, pull out the crank, and we'll install the battery. So it's just a standard 2032 battery. So just pop open the battery compartment, stick it in there, close it back up. Okay, so now that's ready to be installed. So we'll pull off the pedal. And then release the bottom bracket, release the left crank arm. This cap off. Then just pop the tab out here. Pull it off. There's the old crank arm. Just going to install the new XTR crank arm. I'm good, thanks though. Tighten that cap back on.
So yeah, are all of yours hardtails?
No, that's the other one. Yeah.
That's like crazy awesome looking.
Yes, indeed.
Oh, are you making a video of how to install this?
Yeah, just putting on a new power meter. Yeah. Pretty stoked. My first time training with power, so. So, pop that in. Tighten this down. You want to tighten it to 13 Newton meters, which is right in between the Shimano recommended 12 to 14. That one, and 13 on that one. So that's installed. calibrate it. You have to have a GPS device. Oh, I guess we should put the pedal back on. And there we go, all installed. So once you've installed the Stages power meter, what you want to do is calibrate it to make sure it's all ready to go. It's kind of a zero reset. So I'm using a Garmin Edge 500. So you want to go to Settings, then to Bike Settings. Confirm that that's the correct bike, which it is, my Pivot Less. And then we're going to go down to Amp plus Power, but to make sure that the actual power meter is on, you want to do a full rotation that wakes it up, and then you want it to be straight down. So it's perpendicular to the ground. We go to Amp plus Power. We're going to say power meter present. Yes. It says power meter detected, so it automatically found it. And then we just go down to calibrate. We'll give it a second here. And then here you have the calibration successful, so we're all set to go.